Good morning vlog. Of course I have a raging pimple on my face the day I have a fucking photo shoot. Good morning. Anyways guys, right now I am going to pick up my mom. Oh shit. I have a photo shoot today. It's such a nasty ass day outside. I'll bring you guys along for the day, photo shoot day. Hello guys, get ready with me to go to a photo shoot. Okay, I have 1 hour, but I want to leave at like 10:30 in 30 minutes because she lives like I think 30 minutes away, so I'll be back. So my storage turned off the camera, but I made it to her house. It's such a cute little place she has. And then she has her studio in the basement. I think it's basement. Yeah, the studio's here, so we love that. I've been here before plenty of times. I guess we'll see what she says, how it looks on the camera. So here I am after the first shoot with the first outfit, and then here I just cut to when I was back home laying with my mom. I know y'all don't care about this, but I'm gonna keep it in because I want these memories and I will want to look back on this someday, so I'm putting it in the vlog.